Yeah. And you're her 3 million.
Let's take it back to 2007. I'm talking way before I learned to use my mind as a weapon. Saturday morning cartoons might hit the neighborhood pool. Staying up late cause no school, summertime, it was cool. Fast forward years later, more in tune on my Huey. But if a nigga try me, trust me, it could still get stewy. Bitch, just a baby face killer, wood grain gripper. Pull up on your block and make you stiff your chin up like Jody. And all these women crying for me like Jodeci. I walk in and they notice me, hit my plug for the potency. It feel like something holy taking a hold of me. My goal in life is to live this shit stress-free. That's the sound of the sun, my nigga. Kids riding bikes and shit. And mama said play until you see them street lights and shit. Running around the city, we ain't even had no license yet. Niggas get to talking reckless, show them that you bout that shit. Put the gloves on, hop in the grass on your Tyson shit. Yeah. Grew up a street boxing kid, uncle had the Street Fighter on the Sega Genesis. Switched it up to PS2, MK Armageddon shit. Switched it up to PS3 and loaded up Beretta clips. Call of Duty Legends, swore my KD too impressive. Adolescent memories reminding me of lessons. Like when my uncle pulled up in a 80 Regal, bumping Missy Misdemeanor. Switched it up to Benny Siegel, sparking up another pre-roll. Windows down, blowing smoke clouds, just like Master Roshi. Swear he only smoking potent. Then he bang that big pokey, long little sensei. Cup up in his hand, he know it's gonna be a good day. Sipping on that gin and juice, dropping knowledge to the youth. Honey's passing by, he shoot, convincing us get in the booth. And when we do, just keep it true. Never sell your soul, nigga. Your identity in life, that's what more than gold, nigga. That's the sound of the sun, my nigga. Memories of life and shit. Nostalgic. Memories.